What's up guys, and welcome back to Tools Informer. The best table saws use an adjustable, partially exposed circular saw blade that rises from the bottom of the table. This forms fast, precise rip cuts, miter cuts, cross cuts, and beveled cuts. Nevertheless, with so many table saws on the market, selecting the best can be a daunting task. That's why you have to consider things like rip capacity, speed, safety, power, and adjustments to pick the best table saw on the market. If you desire to know more about the products, we've featured links in the description box below, which are updated for prices and offers. These are the best table saws for woodworking. DeWalt EDW 7491 RS Table Saw. After testing different table saws, we concluded that the DeWalt 10-inch Jobsite table saw with 32.5-inch is the best professional table saw. This table saw comes with a rack and pinion fence system, making fence adjustments smooth, fast, and precise. Besides, it has 32.5-inch rip capacity that easily cuts through several shelving and trim materials. Additionally, it has a 15-amp motor that rips through hardwood quickly and easily. Furthermore, the telescoping fence rails extend and retract to form a small portable package. It also flips over ripping fence, thus enabling the user to make narrow rip cuts. What's more, the table saw provides 3 1/8 inch depth of cut at 90 degrees and 2 1/4 inch at 45 degrees. The 26 1/4 inch by 22 inch table offer excellent material support. It also comes with a 2-inch dust collection port that connects to the vacuum for efficient dust collection. This ensures that the work area is kept clean at all times. Nevertheless, this unit is easy to use as it has a rolling stand that is designed for quick installation and breakdown. With such exceptional features, this table saw is suitable for serious woodworkers, cabinet installers, trim carpenters, and much more. Scale TS 630700 Table Saw. This Scale 15-amp, 10-inch portable Jobsite table saw with a folding stand is another exceptional table saw to have. It is well built and can handle large stocks as well. So if you're not a fan of DeWalt, but still desire one of the best professional table saws on the market, this is a perfect pick. This table saw also features rack and pinion fence rails. This ensures that the fence of the table remains parallel to the blade for smooth and precise cuts. On top of that, it has a powerful 15-amp motor and a high-speed steel blade that provides precise and quick cuts. The large coated cast aluminum tabletop saw is fitted with a 10-inch, 24-tooth carbide blade. It also has 0 to 45-degree bevel capacity that allows for cuts between two positive stops at 0 and 45 degrees. On top of that, its 4x4 cutting capacity enables swift 90-degree cutting. Last but not least, it is integrated with foldable legs that make the unit portable and convenient to use. Furthermore, it has a dust port elbow that directs dust to a container for seamless cleanup. DeWalt EDW 7485 Table Saw. If you want a DeWalt table saw, but you find the first one to be slightly costlier, the DeWalt 8 1/4 inch table saw for the Jobsite is a great choice. It is one of the best portable table saws on the market and provides good value for money. The DeWalt 8 1/4 inch table is compactly made for easy maneuvering and transportation. Like its larger sibling, this unit also comes with rack and pinion telescoping fence rails that make fence adjustments quick, smooth, and precise. Moreover, it has 24.5 inches of rip capacity for cutting OSB sheets or even 4x8 plywood. And with a 15-amp motor that delivers up to 5,800 revolutions per minute. Expect this table saw to work quickly and efficiently. Besides, it is durable as it comes with a metal roll cage and metal blade. Kreg TMS 7102 Table Saw. The Kreg Table Saw Precision Miter Gauge System is one of the best portable saws on the market. This table saw helps the user to make accurate and repeatable angle cuts. Additionally, it is very versatile as it features a brass pin that enables the user to make quick changes between stop angles. Furthermore, it has 5 positive stops to provide accurate measurements. Besides, this table saw is easy and convenient to use as it has a swing stop that allows the user to switch boards quickly without losing measurements on the miter gauge. With the turn of a knob, the swing stop slides easily along the fence of the precision miter gauge and locks securely into position. All in all, the Kreg table saw is one of the best. This table is sturdily built with a rugged aluminum fence, a solid swing stop, and an accurate vernier scale. Gopless Table Saw. Gopless Table Saw is another outstanding table for woodworkers and carpenters. It comes with a 10-inch 15-amp portable table saw. On top of that, it delivers up to 5,000 revolutions per minute. With such speed, this tool will rip through different types of hardwood with a lot of ease. This table saw is also sturdily constructed to last long and prevent it from rolling during use. Moreover, it has 36 tooth blades and an aluminum tabletop to rip through large and hardwood materials. Unlike most table saws on the market, this unit has a transparent guard and riving knife to offer protection from flying chips and accidental hurt. Gopless Table Saw is one of the best table saws for woodworking, as it comes with a sliding miter gauge that can be adjusted from -45 degrees to 45 degrees for cross-cutting. Additionally, it has a self-aligning rip fence with a parallel guide on both sides that supports more accurate and stable cutting without moving. While the table saws that we've reviewed are excellent, durable, and easy to use, the DUALT 10-inch Jobsite table saw with 32.5 inches is the best table saw. Thanks to its fantastic rip capacity, adjustable fence, and powerful motor. Nonetheless, ensure to select a table saw that matches your needs and budget.